different.
We have our doggy.
Yes.
We're
gonna show you guys our dogs, which we never have, right, Ali?
Yeah,
And today is special because we're gonna do an advanced calendar for them.
yeah.
So let's show them. This right here is a bit spicy. His name is Nugget. Nugget, calm down. Aww.
This is Rosie.
And then we have back right here Rosie, and then we have Rocky.
Yeah.
So we have 3 little puppies, well, two big dogs and one baby. Which this one is like super playful all the time. But careful not to bite. So we're gonna, Maggie, no more biting. We're gonna show you guys the calendar.
This is the back side. Do you want to see it back side?
Whoa, so this is really cool. And for Christmas, we wanted to do a back calendar.
Let's do a knock.
So,
Knock.
who's there?
Me, Ariana.
Oh, look, Nugget knows already. Nugget knows there's some snacks in here, right? So open that door, and we'll see how many snacks in here. So this is pretty cool. We got this at Costco, and then it says that it has how many, Ali? 100 snacks inside the 24 days for calendar. Now, are we ready, guys?
Yeah, I want to do it first.
Let's have the dogs. Try. Rocky will never get up from the bed unless there's food. But let's focus and try to have the dogs.
I'm gonna need this first.
You want to do with the first one so they can know what it is, because they don't have no clue, right?
I want to.
Where's number 1? I don't see number 1. Oh, I see it right there.
Oh, okay.
Let's open number 1 for the dogs. So much dog here, but
Can't do it.
I can. Let's bring it over here. Closer, over here. Let's come over here, closer to the camera so they can see as well. Whoa! You guys, come on, guys. You guys gotta get the snacks in there. Whoa! Is it baggy? All right, hold on. Let's show them over here. So the first, hold the calendar. The first bag, guys, there is some snacks in here.
We can save that for later.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? What is it? Yeah, this is for you. This is for you, Nugget? Yeah? You want some? Let's give you some.
Can I give him one?
Yeah. So here we go. Let me rip it open for you. And then forget. He's gonna try the first snack.
Let's do salad, pizza, and tomato.
Go ahead and grab one.
I'll do tomato.
And have Rotten Nugget try.
Tomato.
He's not really a snacker, aren't you? You are. Now, how about we try Rosie? Rosie, come here. Let's call Rosie.
Rosie, in your tree.
Ooh, yeah.
Can I do another one? I want to do another.
1 second. Let's try it for Rocky. 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 No, that's not. Okay, you want yours? Here, have yours. Here's one. Come on, Nugget.
Let's put it in the ground.
Okay, you have your snack right there. Let's give some to Rocky. Rocky, wake up. He's like, what's this? A little snacky for me? Oh, that is good. It's chewy too, guys. All the snacks in here for the dogs are all chewy. Give one to Rosie.
Rosie, here. Rosie.
Whoa. Hi, Rocky. Another one, Rocky? He wants another one for Rocky. Good job.
I think both
And
of them like it.
I think you can have this one for Rocky and Rosie, because Nugget still has his own snack right here.
And both
Yeah, perfect. Now, come on, Nugget. You can bite it. Try it. Good. No? Okay, so the Nugget doesn't want to eat. He always does that. He never wants to show.
My turn.
So let's go ahead and...
No, we're number 2. Oh, there it is. I want to. Ah!
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, Rocky got up, guys. Rocky is up, stretching. Look at that big boy. Yes, you are. So who's ready for So this is the snacks we just
I
got.
can open that for you. Okay? Let me open it for you.
And Rosie is excited, isn't she? Rosie, sit down. Sit. No, we have to sit down. Sit down, guys. No, Ali, stand up this way.
Huh?
No, sit down, Rosie. You are a huge baby. Oh, Rosie, sit down, baby. Sit down. And he's sitting down. Great job. Careful, guys. Sit down, Rosie. Sit. Sit. Okay. Sit. Sit, Rosie. No, you have to sit down. Good girl. That's a good girl. Good job. How was that? Good? Here. Here's a little crumb in there. Oh, she's still eating. She's still eating.
There's
Huh?
no more.
No more? It's only 3 of this one's here. Here, Nugget. This is for you. Help you like that one.
We're still
Come on, Nugget. All right. Now for this one, Nugget, if you can stand up, we're going to have them try to open the snack. So get up, please.
Okay.
Now, here you guys go. Who wants to open that next one? Okay, wait. We need to get these doors out of the way because Rocky can't see over there. So who wants to open the next one? Can you help? Whoa. Ooh, another of the same one. Baby tomatoes, another baggie. Look at Rocky's like, ooh, can I have some?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's open it up so we can give them some snacks. And that was only number 3. Yay. Let me help you. So let's get this bag open.
Now I can open it.
And then we're gonna give one to each of the
I'm
dogs.
going to give one for Rosie first.
Okay, Big Rosie gets one first.
Sure.
Rosie, wait your turn. Come on, give it to her. Good job. Come over here, big girl.
You want to walk it? What's up?
Now Nugget's turn.
They're getting the whip. Whipping.
They are ready. Yeah.
I'm really fast. I think they're only 1, 2.
Now give it to Rocky. He's waiting for you. And then Rosie, because Nugget still has one. All right. That was number 3. So we're going to do what number? Number 4. I'll open 4.
Okay.
Oh, this is hard, huh? Whoa. All right. Here we go, guys.
I'm opening it by
Okay,
me.
go ahead. Rosie's like, can I help you?
No, thanks. I got it.
You got it? All right.
Who wants it first? Oh, you wouldn't think it.
Whoa. Now Rosie's ready and Nugget.
Oh, don't just with a jelly.
Rosie.
You wouldn't
Is that all? Oh, there's still crumbs over here. Let's give those to Rosie. You guys want to see up close a little ASMR from Rosie? Like, right here, Rosie. Right here, Rosie. Go. It's actually, no, it's not to get close to the camera. Go, Rosie, go get it. Here. Rosie, go. Right here. Come on.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to do number 5. Ready to open that out? Right here, number 5. Okay, let me help you push them in. There we go. Good job.
There's one baggie.
Whoa, another bag of the same one.
I'm gonna open it.
Like Rocky is excited. He is waiting for the snack.
There's lots of snacks for you.
Let me help.
I got it. Maybe I do like this. Pull out.
So we're gonna go ahead and open our other bag. Are you excited, Rosie? Alright, so we're gonna share them together.
I want to do this for her.
Now Rocky. Nugget, he still doesn't need one. He's still eating the same one.
Him just grabbed the whole thing in my hand.
Try again. He's ready for another one. Look at that.
Oh.
Now Rosie's turn. Good job. How about Nugget? Nugget is not eating any. None. He still has them, the three of them. Good job. They're so good. I'll open the next one, which is number 6. Okay.
I can open the Barbie for you, okay? Barbie.
Yay. Number 6 is out. Let me see. So we're gonna go ahead and whoa, these are different. Let me show them how they look. So this ones are, hold on a minute, Rosie. These ones are this color, a little darker. Looks like beef jerky. Here you go, girl. Oh, where's Rocky's on top of the counter? And then we have one more. Split that in half. Alright. Number 7. Here's number 7. Good job. Good eye. Now let's give me 1 second while you open that. I'm gonna go grab something. Uh-oh. Alright. Oh, the dogs are ready to eat this open. Oh. Alright. Now, what we can do is move this bed a little bit this way. Turn around this way so they can see you. Like that.
This like are different.
The dogs are going wild right now.
This looks like different too. Different? Like it?
Go away, Rocky.
This looks like different too.
Go away, Rocky.
This like more different.
Now, I'm gonna be behind you right here.
I opened it already.
Good job. You ready for the next one? His name is Rocky. And I call him Rocky Road like it's the ice cream. Alright, so look Rocky.
Shake, good job.
Now,
It's Rosie's turn. Oh, before
Rosie, where are you?
Here. Now I'm going to give one for
Oh, I got it.
Nugget.
Nugget, I don't think he wants any more. Alright, so I get to open number 8. Okay, guys. Here is another bag. You have to let him know, Allie. Look, so, here's another bag.
Can I open the backpack?
I got it. Alright, so you can take one out and give it to
I know.
Rosie.
Wait, this one is different too.
So this is like a really cool. It looks like beef jerky. Now this one's gonna be for Nugget. I guess you can keep that one. Yeah, Nugget does not want any anymore. Okay, so number what? 9. Oh, what's in the? Okay. Here you go. Allie, can you go on the other side? No, more that way, like mommy. So we don't go out there. They're watching. You need help? Where is it? There we go. Good job. You have really good eyes. Let me know when you need any help. Are you ready? Are you ready to open that? Whoa, go show them what you have.
This like
Footprint.
like
Your
dog.
paws, right?
Yeah, with paws.
Time to open, tell them.
This
Alright. Come on, you have to rip it like so. Pull it, and then you can open it like this. Sit down, girl. Sit. Sit. Sit, Rosie. Sit. 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 If you want a treat, you have to sit.
This is like wild, but
You have to tell him to sit.
say girl.
No, she's sitting down. Not give it to her. Good girl. Now on the Rocky.
Okay, I'm gonna give him one.
Good job. Give it to him. Ali, give it to him.
Oh!
You have to make sure you give it to each dog separately, Ali. Because if they all go reach for the same one, they're not going to be happy, are they? Good job, Nugget. Take it. See? You have to make sure it's directly to Nugget. Okay?
I'm gonna get him.
Come on. Take it, baby. No, not for Rosie. Rosie, you had your chance already, okay? You had your turn. Okay, no more. This is for Nugget. I'm going to give you right here. Now, next one is number
6.
10. Right here. Look, you can grab his nose right here. Let's see. Nugget. Hold on, baby. Let go. Ali, you want to open this one? Go ahead and open that one. No?
I want to open.
Yeah, let me open it for you. You need help with this one. All right. Go ahead and give the treat now. For Rosie. All right, guys. So we have, how many left do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Wait. 11 more treats to go. But guess what? Look with it. Tell them that they have to come back and see us again. Because they're going to be dressed up in their PJs, and we're all going to get together again to open the rest of them. So you guys got to come back and see us, and we'll open the rest dog treats for them. They're going to be super excited because we got to go get them some water now. So we'll come back and do the next one. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
Bye.
Come.